See, just like with the language. See, language exists the moment the first word is created. See? Because the first word cannot, as a context, right? The first word cannot be created without the context of language. You see what I'm saying? So the moment the first word is created, boom, the context has already been created. It could be done simultaneously, it doesn't matter. But it's already created. In other words, a new world now exists. Suddenly exists. A new world exists. Even though you only have one word, a whole new world exists. What is this world that exists? See, the possibility of more than one word, for example, as you yourself know, see, exists with the one word. The moment that word exists, the context can be created without any word existing. But you wouldn't know it, you wouldn't recognize it, so you wouldn't experience it, so you wouldn't recognize it, see, until a word is created, or something that substitutes. Doesn't have to be a sound, can be a feeling, could be a character, could be the moment it occurs. See, but then what is the language, right? Languages, yeah, languages, all languages. Every kind of language, domains of language, written, verbal, sensation, sign, see, all that. You understand? All of those pieces of content can only show up when language is created. So at the first word, all of that is now possible. You may not realize it because it hasn't been created yet, perhaps. You see? But it's possible. Do you understand? Math, numbers, music, it's all possible the moment you created the first word because of the context, the possibility that is suddenly created. You're following this?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.